All these folding mowers, and ain't now one of them mine. Mine's still in the shop.
Yours still in the shop.
Yeah, mine's still in the shop.
They ain't gonna know fix.
They gonna feed my goddamn. He used to be with the army, but
I said he the owner.
oh, now his daddy the owner. Black people.
Hey, you recording, nigga?
Yeah.
Why you record?
That new handlebars on. What the thing called, y'all? Tell me something. What the thing is? This right
The
here,
stem thing.
yeah. Well, I don't know what it is.
That's
But what the thing
the
is?
stern stem, right?
Steering stand.
The
Yeah.
steering stand broke. Got a new one. You found it. Oh, it's over here.
New street tires too.
Steering stand. Gotta put some more street tires on the thing. He still ain't gonna be faster than me though.
Quit your stuff. Tight, big boy.
Oh. If I had the keys, I'd crank it up for y'all. I told y'all I was gonna do a walk around on it, but I ain't never got a chance to do it because the person that owned the Ford don't ever be here.
No, I can't put it right.
That's why this.
I know the keys there.
Know where the keys at. Ooh, go find the keys then. Well, I do a walk around on it for y'all. Come on, KJ. Come help me out. I don't know nothing about the Ford. I don't know nothing about the Ford.
Yeah, I don't know nobody either. What you mean? I know.
I say whatever I know about it. Winch, what size winch that is? Hold on.
About a 2,500.
2,500 pound winch. LED light bar. Look like a 7-inch or 8-inch.
About 6 inch, boy.
6-inch
no.
smaller.
No. 6, no. 8.
Big horn.
Nah, 12.
Maxis. Big horn. 26 by 12 by 12 on the back. Big tire.
750.
Pull good in the mud.
750.
V12 750.
750. 750. 750.
2-inch lift.
HML.
HMF exhaust full. Get back, man. HMF full performance exhaust. Sounds
The
good.
model is
Sound real good.
2006.
2006 model.
It's bigger than me.
Here.
No
Down
lie.
here.
No lie.
Real fast. I mean fast.
I mean, it's not faster than me though. On my feet, it's not fast.
Bro, look how big the gas tank is on this thing.
Hey, y'all want to step? Young.
Gas tank side of my car. Still ain't got my folder yet. Folder still in the shop. We got everybody else folder except mine.
Oh, look.
These, man.
Look up in there.
I don't even look inside the gas tank for, bro. Only black people.
I can't help on black, boy.
Yeah, whenever whenever they get the key for it, we'll crank it up for y'all. But they right
We
here.
do got the keys in the house.
Fast forward, boy. What I really want to see is this folder.
Hey, what that thing on?
This folder right here still getting worked on. I believe the 750 faster than the 700.
No, it's not.
I ain't gonna call no name though.
No, lie.
we feel so.
That be Gabby Pole. What makes you think that? Gabby Pole was faster than that. Trap.
I don't know, man. Got doggone got a dash back here. They ain't make many of these. Man, get back, bro. What's the hole? Dash it, 350.
Man, we need to pull that thing up out the shade.
How about you pull it in?
I'm weak.
Still working on this. As soon as the owner did get back, we gonna fix it up for you.
From the army.
He in the army right now.
From the
As soon as
army.
he get back, we gonna fix it up. Still, y'all already know Big Red. Still got this up on the shit. Ain't been pulled out in a while.
Still broke.
Still this.
Dang, we
All
broke
this.
all our folks the last
All
summer
of them
then.
most likely broke.
This not broke. Blackjack.
Who cares about blackjack? Did anybody ask you about blackjack?
I bet you'll drag this over.
A little bit. I'm gonna trade my fold in. Hey y'all, leave in the comments. What should I get next after I trade my fold in? I really don't know.
Nigga, that little red round here back there.
Oh, man, that thing you sold it
Oh, Red Robin.
for. But
Red Robin.
I believe you see it bent.
JJ,
A little bent right here.
Red Robin.
Street tires. Gonna put these on the back. Whenever this right here get fixed and the owner of that get back, I'm gonna do a race that
You
jump
ain't
that
oh, you
and
showed
that.
them street
2
signs.
races. Yes, I did.
You did?
He the owner of this. His brother the owner of that. And they go race. That's what I want to see. I want to see who win. Look at that.
So be ready for that.
So
dude.
be ready for that. What I thought about to say?
Oh, they gotta wait for the 450 to get
My
that.
folder need to get out the shop. Shoot. Tired of the crap.
They gotta wait for both of the 450s to get back.
I swear, both of them. What wrong with boot others 450?
They wouldn't got a clutch thing for it, I think.
Well,
They had bought
I'll crank it up for you
They
whenever
took
we
it
get
to
the key.
Red to get it fit.
Yeah. Gotta tell y'all about this one. This all dirt bike. This my brother. My folder, like I said, still in the shop. But he got a dirt bike for Christmas.
Your folder broke.
Shut up, man. TTR 110 Yamaha. What GYTR mean?
Let me find out. What do you see that?
This is a sponsor on the dirt bike.
I don't know.
But sooner or later, we're going to put a pipe on here. I'm thinking about putting a big gun or an HMF. I don't know. It depends.
I never looked at
No upgrades, all stock. I'm going to upgrade, though. Put some stuff on it.
Let
me crank it up for y'all.
You better not.
I ain't gonna hurt nobody. For some reason, that's starting. Though.
Man, you want me to
Give it, I got it. For some reason, started on work. But that's how it sound right now. Until I put all my work I need to put on it. I'm gonna put a pipe. I'm gonna put a pipe on there for sure. It sound alright right now without the pipe. But if it sound like that without the pipe, it should sound like that without the pipe on it. Imagine how it sound with a pipe on it. So as soon as I get the money, I'm gonna put a pipe on here for him. Good pipe. Yeah, and y'all put that in the comment section too. What type of pipe should I get? Tell me. Somebody tell me if I don't know nothing about pipe. All I know is RJWC, HMF, and big guns. And all the pipe I really know for real. But tell me what y'all think I should go on. Very fast bike. So tell me something, y'all. Please. Tell me something. Alright. You need to crank up the other one too, cause I want to hit out. That's what I told y'all. I'm gonna let y'all crank up. Be back, crank up this. That's how it sound right now. Oh, my fault. I need to I would have bought all this thing. Man, get out the way. Shoot.
Man, I'm the pop-up man. I pop up in everybody's
video. If I tell you people about yourself.
You can't tell nobody about me.
Oh, I can tell everybody about you.
No, you can't, because I ain't got no DNA. You ain't got my DNA.
I do got your DNA. That thing look ugly with all the bite off of it. Yeah.
It look clean without the body. What you talking about?
I'm just ready to see it dry.
Sexy.
For real. Now we have the frame on. Got a new stern thing on. What this thing called? Yeah, man.
I thought I should have a whole nother pipe on the there.
I said, okay, we'll take the pipe back for you. New shiny stern. You can tell the difference. Nice and shiny. Now, we about to put these right here. Street tires on here. They same size as them. So I'll put some street tires on here. Old stern. Look, actually, take a look.
You still went down there just like this. You still went down there like this. But you went like this.
Yeah.
No, you went like this.
The street tire going back.
Like this.
After we put the street tires on here, so y'all can drive it. So put that. See when we get ready to put the street tires. When we get done for putting the street tires on. Oh, doggy. Lord, that be busted. I like that. Snitch about what? Right, that's that. Come here. He just called me. Hey, y'all, that thing right there, it's a whole bike in stock, but it's real fast. Yeah, that burning out now.
What that ain't doing?
The jet burning out. On the way back now. That bike, that's a fast bike to be all in stock for real. Got the road. do. He ain't rolling like about a couple of months.
What is it now? Turn that switch off, click it back on, park the clutch, and then come back on and hit the game.
Got an ad lib it in.
You got your ass way. Get shot so far.
This is retarded. That man retarded. Got a lot of stuff done. The life out here in the country is very nice. You ain't gotta worry about none of that arguing stuff. Real peaceful. But we had a good day today. Got the stern, whatever the thing called. I still don't know what it called. Got that on. Put the new tires on. He going to race now. The person that on that Raptor, my cousin, he going to race now. Some people. And that Brute 4, they got a crunk out there. They're riding it now. When they come back, they might come back down the road once. I'm telling y'all. But otherwise, we had a good day today. We just waiting on my food to get out of the shop. That's the only thing I'm really waiting on for real. They've been in the shop for a good little while. Oh, there you go, y'all. They coming out here now. That's the dirt bike. It's the Brute Force. I don't know how he riding it so slow. But there you go. That's for the real loud too. Bad too. But otherwise, guys, we had a good day. See y'all on the next video. Peace.